Okay, I'm doing 26 because it's the hardest of the three, and then you're going to do the others on your own, okay? All right, we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. That goes away. This becomes a -5. So -5, we've got the arrow pointing this way. We got the -5 absolute value of 2x minus 1. We're going to divide by -5, both sides. But when we divide by a negative, remember, that arrow is going to turn around. And so I've got my 2x minus 1, the absolute value. That turns around because we divided by a negative, and a negative divided by a negative gives us a +1. Okay? So the +1 is on this side. We have this set up here. We're going to split it up into two equations. 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 1, exactly like we see here. And 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to -1. Okay? So when you change this one to a -1, you change that arrow from that way to this way. I'm going to add 1 to both sides here. 2x is less than or equal to 2. X is less than or equal to 1. We add 1 here, and I can't because the hole punch. I got a 2x is greater than or equal to 0. Divide by 2, x is greater than or equal to 0. So we have a really small zone here. We got 0 here, and we got 1 there. We got filled in dots because they are equal to. We're greater than 0. We're less than 1. And so everything in between 0 and 1, you may say, well, what's in between? Well, any decimal, 0.1, 0.2, 0.001, any of those, and so on. Fractions, 1/2.